all the tracks. See the logo? Here we go. Got a lot of Hot Wheels in here. Tracks down now. You always start with this thing. It pushes the car on the track. So you always start with that. Done. More tracks. Tracks go. The what? Comment down below if you want me to do more of these. And hit the subscribe button and the bell and leave a like. I'm trying to get it to work, guys. So right here. So I'm going to boost it. And I'm going to use something to carry it up. So let's do it. When I'm done building it, I'm going to show you my Hot Wheels. And let's see if we can get 7 likes. And then it's going to fly into this bin. Ooh, the track. And let's see if it works now. So, guys, these are the cars. I got this one, and then 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 I got these two. And comment down below which one's your favorite Hot Wheel car. So let's try first cars. The first car. It messed up. I didn't know if you guys see it, but it messed up. So I'm going to put the track out and hold in my other finger. And then I will do it. I just have to time it perfectly. Oops. That didn't work. What is wrong with the jump? It goes like that. It didn't. Let's see if I do this stuff. Oh, made it back in, but made it back out. Ready, set, go. Let's try the fastest car. I told you the fastest car is this one. I'm going to try to push it. I'm going to try to push all the cars in. So that didn't work, so yeah, so we're going to try again and see if it works. Nope. video after this last try. So, yeah. Got a better ideas. I got a better idea. You're probably going to see the track move, but you see this? Let's try the slowest car ever. Yeah, that's definitely the slowest car ever. So guys, I didn't do it, but I'm just going to end the video here. So stay tuned for the next video. Bye.